Hey guys, in this lab we are going to talk about web cache poisoning with an unkeyed header. Let's access the lab. As always, let's turn the OSCP proxy on and look into the website and its application and the functionality of the website. Take a look at the traffic. We can find here the cache. It looks interesting. Let's try to send it into the repeater, and we will add the cache buster to not interrupt with the other users. All right, we have a miss. Let's send again. We have a hit. Okay, sounds good. As we saw in the academy, let's try to add an header which might be unkeyed, which means that after we have this request in our cache, other users that might not use this header are still going to be affected by it because it's unkeyed. So let's add um, the header as we saw in the academy. Let's try to send it. Okay, so we have a hit, and now let's try without it. And we're supposed to get a hit. Yes, so now we know that it's unkeyed because with or without it, we get the same response. All right. So let's look if we have this reflected, and we might do something nasty with it. So let's take a look into the response. And we don't see it here. Oh, sorry. Forwarded. All right. So now we know that all forward and forwarded both. Let's make sure this. Now we have a miss, hit, and we'll make sure this unkeyed. And it is. Okay. And we see that nirza was here is reflected. So you'll be able to connect into the exploit server by adding is IP here, is addressed here instead of this, and it will try to call it for this file. So let's create this file on the exploit server. Copy. Let's create this file. And what we want this file to execute, let's take a look. We want to execute this alert. Let's copy it, paste, store. And let's copy the exploit server. Okay. Instead of this, we'll use the exploit server. Let's send it. Let's look for it in the response. And we see that it's got reflected, and now it's trying to connect into the file that it's all on the exploit server. Okay. Let's reload. Okay. Okay, so we have a hit. Let's try again. Oh, we need to access without the cache buster. Miss, hit, and we solve the lab.